The $25,000 credit card funding method. 1. The Skyla Advantage. Skyla Credit Union gives high credit limits even to people with lower credit scores. Anyone in the United States can join. There are no residency rules, employer rules, or military rules. Skyla pulls only TransUnion, so a FICO score around 620 to 640 could be enough to start. So what does that actually mean? It means almost anyone can get a fair shot at real funding. Footnote: Skyla is open access and credit-friendly with one TransUnion pull. 2. The Foundation Method. To get high limits, you must build a relationship first. Open a checking and savings account. Use the debit card a few times. Add direct deposit of at least $500 each month to unlock 4% APY. Then take a 24-month secured loan and let it report. After it shows on all 3 bureaus, pay down 80 to 90% and auto-pay the rest. So what does that actually mean? It means the credit union gains trust in you and your credit profile becomes stronger. Footnote: a solid relationship and a long payment record raise approval odds. 3. Personal credit cards. Skyla offers 2 major personal credit cards with limits up to $25,000 each. Card 1 gives 0% APR on purchases for 12 months. Card 2 gives 0% APR on balance transfers. Both have no annual fee and a 25-day grace period. Using the Foundation Method makes it possible to get both with one credit pull. Footnote: 2 personal cards can equal $50,000 in available credit. 4. Auto and home loans. Skyla offers auto loans with no payment for 90 days. Rates can start as low as 3.99%. They finance new cars, used cars, motorcycles, boats, RVs, and more. This creates another path for major funding with flexible terms. Footnote: Skyla provides wide loan options with delayed first payments. 5. The 4% income play. If you deposit $500 each month, use your debit card 20 times, and enroll in e-statements, Skyla pays you 4% APY. So what does that actually mean? You earn free passive income for doing basic, everyday spending. Footnote: a simple routine earns far more interest than major banks. 6. Business credit and the 50K card. In California, North Carolina, or South Carolina, Skyla offers business credit cards up to $50,000, plus business lines of credit and commercial loans. The newest personal card offers another $50,000 limit. When stacked with the 2 $25,000 cards, a strong profile can reach $100,000 in total credit. Footnote: Skyla's business and new personal card create a 6-figure credit path.